Hey guys, well, here we go again. Let's see if the foundation people can get in, or if there's any excuse or lies. I'll excuse the out of breath. I had to move all those rocks that I forgot to move. And I swear to God, that's a shorter frickin' truck. And don't think I'm not gonna ask about it either. So anyway, we're gonna film our lovely repair and see what happens. Whew. Oh Lord, what, you afraid of the corner? Shit. Oh, sorry. Anyway, all right. I know the horses are like, hello. People, I even cut the grass down there for you yesterday, so you wouldn't have any buck, 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 chicka, 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 wah, wahs. I'm telling you, when they open up that truck, that fucker, oh, I'm sorry, that thing better be jacked up to the top full of stuff, of equipment, because if it's empty, I'm gonna be pissed. You know, I mean, like, there's empty space, like, you know, they could have got a smaller truck to do their job in. Because it cost me a fortune more to get those trees cut. And the horses have, there's like, oh, whatever. Hey! Shh! Well, at least they got the sense to wobble down the hill. Hush! Alright, well, let me go flag them and explain to them where they need to park, even though there's plenty of room. Like I said, I made sure that I moved everybody around so there's room for everybody. But yeah, no, freaking little chicken littles. Alright, well, I'll be back in a minute. Well, it better be empty, I mean full, top it, ceiling to floor in there of equipment. Yeah. All right, well, we're gonna go downstairs and see. We, you know, got them jiggy through the thing to back up. So I'll be back in a minute. Well, let's see what's inside the truck when they open it up. Oh Lord, they're coming all the way to the. Hush, Molly. Oh, you got room for a smaller truck. Y'all have room for a smaller truck.
Smaller truck wouldn't be
shorter.
Enough to pull the equipment.
Yeah. Oh, dear Lord. All right, and it begins. I warn, it's loud. Good Lord. So he starts the holes. He has the big drill to do the holes. And then he gets ready to do whatever else is next. And the trouble spot. Hush. Oh. Ooh, we're gonna have some holes. Hush, Rusty. It's okay. It's okay. Rusty's having a fit. Oh, so you only get one hole per pad. Towards the front of your foundation. Oop, he just broke through. Crazy. Well, the other guy just saved something. I'm guessing a frog. That was sweet. Did you just save a frog? Oh, hey, I got a question. I think that's like the sewer, whatever. I don't know. How does it go? Do you know?
I have no
Me neither. So,
way it runs, but my foam will form around it, and that's
Oh,
why when I'm
okay.
drilling, as soon as I get through the concrete, it stops.
okay. Because I don't know anything other than that's what that's supposed to be for. So, oh,
Here anyway, I'm just force filling,
Yeah.
stabilizing anyway, so it's gonna be really quick.
because I honestly don't remember when they poured it seeing any of it.
Which way?
Well, it goes out that way. I know that much. But I think it's under the dirt. So, but
Yeah, those lines are usually buried at least 9 inches under whatever's
The-
underneath the slab.
okay.
Essentially, this slab was poured.
Yeah.
Under that's the dirt.
Yeah.
That pipe should be 9 inches under that dirt.
Yeah. Well, the owners that did it before didn't like give us any roadmap to where anything is, so we don't know. Hi. That's where all the magic happens in there. Alright, well we'll turn it off and wait till they start pumping junk in there.
Tip of it and it'll pull right out.
Oh.
And then we just patch them with sand mixed concrete, so it won't color match perfectly.
Yeah, well, I gotta do
it'll
that
be the
floaty
gray.
thing anyway, so
It'll be the color gray.
it's kind of cool.
Yeah, this beats being in the crawl space 10 times out of 10.
Oh, dear God. Hey, at least the weather cooled off for y'all. Sure. It's gonna be cool. Be back in a minute. Well, here we go. He's still hammering away. Rusty's still barking.
Doing
Hey,
this,
woo, woo, woo.
doing this for years now, but still haven't mastered pulling out the right amount of hose.
Oh,
Always pull out a little too much or too less.
hey, at least you never have not enough.
Once.
Oh Lord.
That job we couldn't do. My reactor's fitted for, it can run up to 250 foot of hose. If I need more than that, my reactor's not strong enough to get the product there.
So are these like water sprinkler attachment type things?
The ports,
Those little things.
they're plastic.
Well, I just want they kind of remind me of water sprinkler system.
Honestly, I really don't know. But they do stick up like that, and they
I know.
do hurt if you walk into them, so please watch your step. We wear
Well,
steel toes.
I won't
but-
be walking over there
Yeah.
until you take them out. But how long after you do this is it like
You're gonna,
drivable with the four-wheeler? That's where I park
so
it.
since I'm sealing the crack, you're gonna have to keep all your animals and just stay off of it for 24 hours.
Okay.
The reason being, at least with the dogs, it is really just a silicone. So if it gets stuck in their paws, it pretty much is
Oh.
like a mandatory vent visit.
Okay.
I don't really think you'll have to worry about the horses
Um,
because they don't really have paws. It won't get stuck in theirs, I guess. But I might have some caution tape, but I can just caution tape all like this out.
okay, so they'll to force them to go around. All right.
As long as I have enough of the caution tape, I'm gonna try to get it done for you guys.
Lord. So how long once you put it in there do you see it start?
So depending on how big the void is down there,
Oh yeah.
you'll be able to see it. Once I fill up that void, if it's gonna move for me, you're gonna see it pretty much right away.
Cool.
The only area that I'm probably gonna take a little bit of finesse is this corner. I don't think I should have a problem anywhere else getting the crack at least meshed up,
Yeah.
so it's even and you're not tripping on it.
I tried to cut that vine even with the a pit thing. That
It should be-
oh he's gonna get killed this winter.
Now that I can see the corner, that's all you need to do.
Oh, that
And anything that's
Fought.
growing underneath the slab, my foam, as soon as I pull that trigger, it shoots up to about 250 degrees. So it's going to kill whatever vegetation is growing down there. It should at least.
You heard that?
Any animals, any vegetation, it's going to get rid of them.
well.
It's been the past
Choke
couple
that
of
vine
months,
off.
I've been a snake exterminator.
Oh.
A couple of weeks ago we did, I forget where it was, maybe Kingston Springs.
All right, guys. Well, apparently the machine's broke. Their truck is not warming up. Ah, fucking things. And they're getting ready to reload it. Take all these things out. Leave them open because it's going to take probably 2 more weeks for them to get their machine fixed. Or get another truck from somebody else. Now, tell me if this isn't Murphy's Law. Oh my God. I cannot believe this shit. You at least gonna take the damn grill with you, huh?
Yeah.
What? Oh. You at least gonna take the grill with you though, huh?
I don't know if I'm gonna do it now. I don't know if we're gonna have to pick up the fix. I just show up to work. I don't know anything.
Good grief. Crazy. Well, so they're gonna take all the thingies out, leave the holes in here, and
This is
do it
how
again.
that foam is when it doesn't get to the right temperature.
Yeah, that
All
looks
spongy.
like the
Great stuff.
spray stuff from the can when you put it around your windows. Then it turns brown and turns into a gooey rock.
Essentially, that's all this is right now because it's not getting to the right temperature, so it can't chemical react the proper way.
Good grief. Well, guys, and off they go. And I have a million little holes. Well, not really a million, but pretty much. But they pulled all the little thingies out. And so they're taking their truck that, you know, I had to get a tree chopped down to have this done. And by gosh, I can't believe, I just cannot believe that, yeah, we're not getting it done. Unbelievable. Now, tell me who's got bad luck. It's just crazy. And I mean, I spent all day yesterday cutting and weed eating around the porch. Good grief. Unbelievable. But yep, I mean, I took the pickaxe to that, all those roots, that thing, he's all vicious. But I cut all this around with the push mower and the weed eater. That's as far as I can go with the push mower because as soon as you get at an angle, it stalls out. And I was like, oh, I guess it must be a safety hazard. So, because this sure didn't work at an angle. Oh, and then my weed eater laughed at me. Oh, it was a fight. What can I tell you? I don't know how to string the string right, so I got to get a lesson from Jim. Because, oh. But, yeah, no. My weed eater does not like those big, thick things. So, and I got to clean this, blow this off. So, I have to come and blow all that dirt out because it's going to, all that concrete. But, man, what a pain in my butt. Unbelievable. Cannot believe. So, well, that's my Tuesday. That, yeah, good thing I don't work or, you know, have important things to do. And blah, 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 blah. Oh, but I will walk out here and show you the, well, we'll do the chicken coop separate. So, but yeah, oh my gosh. So, let's see, they've been here for an hour and 15 minutes and it's not done. So, well, we'll see how long it takes because he said it could take a couple of days for them to get it repaired or up to 2 weeks. So, crap monkeys. But, well, off they go into the wild blue yonder. Well, actually back to Nashville. So, and then one guy, you know, a little pissy, you know, I guess I get paid for the jobs they do. I don't know. He's like, yeah, I drove all an hour and a half up here. Now I gotta turn around and drive an hour and a half back. And now we gotta, you know, not do what the next job they're gonna do. Wait, you know, I don't know. Okay, well, let me go upload a video, and I will see y'all later.